got the front panel done for this. Another thing that I have been working on is mini octopuses. Hello my beautiful and wonderful yarn friends, it's Morgan with Dream9 Design. Welcome in or welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, March 4th, I believe. It is 11:53 a.m. and I have not done any crochet work today. I did get 100 beanies done, which I'm about to drop off at 5 o'clock, but I want to get some projects done. I'm working up for my any market. I don't have any market that I haven't signed up for right now, but I do have one that I'm going to sign up for that is every single Saturday, through till the end of December, and then they have one that's indoor. So anyways, this very much fits in with the style of my town, so I think these are going to be really awesome. It's actually, let me grab one. So it's like one of these boho drifter vests. I had done a video, there's little armholes right here, if you see. So that's kind of what I'm working on today. But what are you guys working on? What's your projects? What's your whips? What's your foes? I would love to know. Put it in the comment down below. I love how all of that totally rhymed. That was awesome. Another thing that I have been working on is mini octopuses. So I have quite a few colors in my bag here. Not a lot of them are not finished, so like this, the color is getting washed out, but the yellows do not even have eyes on them at all. I have this mint colored guys, but they are not stuffed and finished. The only ones that I think are done are these little coral colored ones. And then I have bodies for a darker mint, so you see the two colors here. Yeah, so I'm just kind of baking up a bunch of these little guys. I ordered some stuffing off of Amazon, so I'm waiting for that to show up, but I want to have one whole bag filled with the mini octos, which I will put in the description box down below. I found it off of Instagram. It's a free pattern, which is awesome. They're really easy to make and they're really quick. So I'm pretty happy with those, but I do want to take a break from those this week. Not this week, just today, and get this guy finished because I do have 4 brand new cones to make quite a few of these to put on my shelf. So that's what I'm going to work on. I think to help with my motivation, I'm actually going to start setting up my racks so that I can see exactly what I have for sale, clothing wise, because I really need to start getting a visual for what's going to be in my booth, because I don't want to just do plushies and I don't want to just do clothing. I want to kind of make it available for everybody. So I think the plushies are really great for the smaller kids because they really do love having, they're so adorable. When I was making the octopuses, I was actually working on the yellow ones and I was at an appointment. I had no eyes, I was just making the bodies and throwing them in my bag, but I did have the eyes with me. I had no stuffing, so what I did for this little girl, because she wanted one so bad, is I threw on eyes and I just started taking a bunch of the yarn and just shoving it inside for stuffing, and I was able to complete one of the yellow ones because I didn't have any of the other ones with me. I only had yellow, and I gave it to the mom to give to her daughter, and she was just so appreciative and so happy. And then she asked for my number, which I thought was really cool because she wanted to be able to connect and potentially order some more things for me in the future. So that's what I was so excited about yesterday. That was so sweet. That was actually on Monday, because I'm trying to get my business, up and rolling. This is what I want to do. I have rent paid for a few months. I'm really trying to build stock. I'm trying to make more videos. I got a new iPad so that I can do better edits on my video and not tie up my phone, but I'm really excited. So that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm also planning on doing some hair scrunchies. So I have a big long list and I need to kind of get a little bit more organized, I feel for maybe next week or even starting this weekend, but I really need to break down each day what I'm going to be making. So I know I want to make the mini octos. I want to make the little turtle guys because those are really cute, and the little mushrooms because the mushroom guys, the little boys, do very well. I have done little markets in the past before and I sold out of all of those. Another thing that used to sell, or that has sold for me really well, is the bigger whales. I do have a tutorial. I will try to put a little card right here or in the description box down below that you can go ahead and make those yourself. And yeah, so I have lots of things I want to get done in very little time. I still have to get a pop-up tent, a custom one of those made. I think I'm gonna have to order another long table as well as the covers for that and all the fun stuff for marketing and vending. So if you guys have done crochet markets or done markets and sold your crochet, if you have any tips, tricks, advice, anything like that, please, please, please do leave that in the comments, because I would love any advice and tips that I can get from people who have done it a little bit more than I have. So onwards to working on this guy. Alright friends, it is 2:03 p.m. on Tuesday, March 4th. It is still the same day. I have got the front panel done for this. So we have the back and the front, which I still have to sew in, but I went ahead and I just kind of put a stitch marker in here, so I kind of have a rough idea of where I will sew for the armhole. Yep, so slowly moving along. So now I'm going to attach onto the other side and work that side. I'll totally get this done by the end of the day, if not before. And then I think the next thing that I want to work on is either some scrunchies, or I have some really pretty yarn right here. This is oh gosh, what is this? Like bamboo yarn. So I have 3 different colors here. I figured this would be a fun yarn to make some bandanas. So it's gonna be between bandanas or hair ties for my next project. But I do have to leave to go get my daughter in about 45 minutes, and then I'll wait in line there for a bit. So I should hopefully have this done and completed. I want to say by 5 o'clock, but I honestly don't, like, I'm not going to be working on it that whole time, but by the time I have to leave, go get my daughter, wait in line for 35 minutes to pick her up, and then the drive home, all this stuff. So blah blah blah, I'm gonna get back to work and I will check in with you folks here in just a few moments. I'm making progress on the other side. I have to do a few more rows, about 18 more rows. I was gonna bring it with me to work on while I wait in line at school, but honestly I don't want to bring this much stuff with me in the car. It's really not that hard to tote, but I just don't think I'm gonna bring it with me. So I went ahead and grabbed a bag, some velvet softy yarn, grabbed some scrunchies, my scissors, and a 4mm hook. Back from picking up my daughter, and I was able to get one scrunchie done. I could have totally started a second scrunchie. I had a few minutes left, but I didn't. I just kind of put everything away. So it did take me, I don't know, about 18 minutes, maybe less, to make this. So it's the first one that I've made in a while, but I will keep working on them and I will be able to get them done a little bit faster. Alright, sorry about that. Anyways, so I got one of these done. I will work on these, then hopefully get the time down, but I'll make quite a few more. But I'm going to go back to this guy and get it all completed for the day. So it is 4:49 still on Tuesday, March 4th. I've got both of the front panels done. One panel here. Oops, sorry. So we've got the front panel here, the front panel on this side, the back panel done. So yay, everything is completed. I just have to finish sewing everything together and finish weaving in ends. So that project will be done by the time I go to bed. I'm super excited about that. I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm gonna keep it to be kind of a short video so that I can get some kind of content out to you guys, but kind of keep you in the loop of what I'm up to, what I'm making. Again, go ahead and check out the scrunchies from Passion Knit Kelsey, and go ahead and check out this pattern. I am going to have both of these in the description box down below. But thanks for joining me, yarn friends, and I will see you guys all next time on Dream9 Designs Yarn Corner of YouTube. Bye, friends.